Did you know that if you saved just $500 per month and invested it in a diversified portfolio, earning a conservative 7% annual return, you could accumulate over $100,000 in just under 10 years? That's the power of consistent saving and smart investing. By diligently setting aside a portion of your income each month, you can harness the magic of compound interest to build wealth over time. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or financial independence, every dollar you save today is a step closer to achieving your financial goals. Start small, stay disciplined, and watch your savings grow into a powerful engine for building wealth and securing your future. Like, subscribe, and follow the Wealth Pioneer for more investing discussions.